In this lecture, let us discuss about unit testing, which is a software testing technique where individual components or functions of a software application are tested in isolation. This method ensures that each unit of the software performs as expected, and by focusing on small, manageable parts of the application, unit testing helps identify and fix bugs early in the development process. And it even ensured that each unit worked properly on its own before integrating it into a larger system. It significantly improves code quality and reliability. Objective of unit testing: first thing is to isolate section of code, then to verify whether the code written is correct or not, and to test every function as well as procedure, and to fix bugs early in the development. Thus, we can save the cost as well as time. It even helps us in using the same code many number of times. It helps the developers understand the code base and enable them to make changes quickly. Advantages of unit testing: first one is early detection of issues. Unit testing, it allows the developers to detect and fix issues early in the development process before they become larger and more difficult to fix. Then coming to the second one, which is improved code quality, unit testing helps to ensure that each unit of code works as intended and whether the written code meet the requirements, and it even improves the overall quality of the software. Faster development. So unit testing, it enables the developers to work faster and more efficiently as they can validate changes to the code without having to wait for the full system to be tested. Then better documentation. Unit testing provides clear and concise documentation of the code and its behavior. So thus it makes the process easy for the developers to understand and maintain the software. It even reduces the time and cost for later testing as it helps to identify and fix issues early in the development process. Unit testing allows developers to learn what functionality is provided by a unit and how to use it to gain a basic understanding of the unit API. It allows the programmer to refine the code and make sure the module works properly. Disadvantages include time and effort. So, unit testing, it requires significant investment of time and effort in order to create and maintain the test cases, especially for complex systems. And dependence on developers. The success of unit testing depends on the developers who must write clear, concise, and comprehensive test cases to validate the code. Difficulty in testing complex units. Unit testing can be challenging when dealing with complex units as it can be difficult to isolate and test individual units in isolation from the rest of the system. Difficulty in testing interaction. Unit testing may not be sufficient for testing interactions between units as it only focuses on individual units. Then maintenance overhead. Unit testing requires ongoing maintenance and updates as the code and test cases must be kept up to date with changes to the software. Here, the process is time consuming for writing the unit test cases, and this unit testing will not cover all the errors in the module because there is a chance of having errors in the modules while doing integration testing.